So I expect a number of air gaps on this one because the crab had so many little grooves and crevices and like, yep. See, that wasn't pulled away enough. I tried to pull the claws apart so that it would infill, but I obviously did not get it pulled enough apart. So yeah, I have no doubt that every bar is going to have some gaps. I still think it's cute. And I kind of knew that this was just a likelihood. Yeah. Well, it's not awful. I said the gaps could have been a lot worse. I love the crab. And then the top. I just think it's cute. Yep. This one didn't pull it apart and that one got pushed down. Those, I can try next time to make sure I really pull them apart, but that's okay. I think it's a fun little under the sea soap. My seaweed, the starfish. I like the little swirl, that darker blue. Not perfect, not awful. I'll take it. I really like the swirl on that one. It's still fun. It captures the spirit of Under the Sea.